When one behavior, one thing in your life meets 3 or more of your needs, you get addicted to it. You want a recipe for lasting relationships? If you meet that person that you want to spend the rest of your life with, your job is to find out what are their needs. You become the source of them meeting their needs, they'll be addicted to you for life. That can be very problematic if these 2 individuals I just mentioned are not okay, if they're not healthy. For me, relationship only works if he is healthy, he's fine, his needs are met. If she on her own is fine and okay, everything goes to a whole new level. It's amazing. We spend a whole evening together. I go home. Guys, I don't go home. I didn't get to my car yet. Ding ding. I miss you already. Good morning, my angel. Oh, I'm thinking of you. Yes, yes. Meet me 2 weeks later. How's your relationship? Ding ding. One day I had 3 meetings and then she was like crazy that day. You didn't respond. What's happening? When one is not healthy and have no other business other than waiting for you to come home, that becomes draining on the other side.